Welcome to WebStyleBrus. In this video, I will show you how to favorite items on Roblox and how to find your favorite items in Roblox, both for PC and mobile. On PC, to mark an item favorite, go to Marketplace by clicking this link at the top, Marketplace. Find an item that you like or will likely use in the future. Let's select this item. Now here is the item detail. Click the star icon below the item to favorite it. Filled star shows that it is your favorite. The count next to the star shows this many people have favorited it. To view your favorites, click on your profile picture or profile link from the left side. Scroll down and this is the favorites section. Click this link, favorites, with the arrow to view all your favorites. It is showing me the places or experiences that this account has favorited. This section shows favorites for this profile. You can see them by category to find specific items easily as well. Click specific categories from the left to see what you have favorited in that category. These are all the categories that you can favorite in. And on mobile, open Roblox app. From the bottom right, tap More. Select Profile. Scroll down. Select View Full Profile. Scroll down. And here is the favorite section. Press Favorites with the arrow to view all the favorites. And these are the places or experiences that I have favorited. Let's go to Accessories. So these are the categories that you can choose to view favorites in that category. So from these drop downs, you can sort these by available categories. And to add items to favorite, go back, tap More from the bottom. It will bring up this menu. Select Marketplace. And there you can find items to mark as favorite. Tap an item to view its detail. Press Details button on it. Then press 3 dots icon at the bottom left. It will show a pop-up. From there, press Favorite option to add to or remove from your favorite list. Now it's favorite, and now it's been removed from the favorites. Similarly, not just the items, experiences or games can be favorited as well. To do that, select an experience. Select 3 dots icon from the bottom left and tap Favorite option to add it to your favorites. To remove it from the favorites, tap that option again. So this is how you can add items or experiences in your favorites and then find your favorites in Roblox on mobile or PC. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.